Hi Cancer, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Cancers, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Cancers. This is for your relationship, guys, and this is for your career situation. If you like this reading, Cancers, and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card love reading after this general guidance that may clear your doubts or answer your questions, guys. So you can watch that. So let's start with these cards first, guys, Cancers. So we have Ten of Pentacles in reverse, Page of Pentacles and Two of Pentacles. So in your situation, guys, it may be in your career situation, Cancers, or in your relationship. You are someone maybe taking a lot of risks. Maybe you have worked hard and you have done so many things, but today you are making some important choices for yourself. You are making an important decision, maybe on a hunch, or you are taking a risk. So some difficult situation you are in, but you need to make that choice if you want to move positively, guys, Cancers. And maybe for some of you, there is a rare opportunity coming to you, maybe some kind of it may look like some kind of a gift. Maybe someone is coming out of the way helping you today, guys, helping you in deciding on certain things, maybe in your work, or it may be in this relationship. Maybe they are suggesting you what needs to be done regarding this connection, or avoid some difficulty in your relationship. So you are trying to be really flexible and adapt, maybe in this connection, trying to fit in with this person, or trying to fit in your work situation. So some kind of adaptation you are going for. You are trying hard, maybe, guys, working really hard, doing things. You are trying to do things in the right way. That may be the reason you are asking people what needs to be done. So some kind of ideas or suggestions you are taking from others. And for some of you, guys, you are getting some important news today. It may be an important news in your work, or it may be an important news in your relationship. So something is coming up, something taking you by surprise. It may be a positive news for most of you. It may be a good news. Maybe the risk or whatever you have done, that chance you have taken, has worked out for you, and you're seeing the results for that risk. So some happy results are reaching you today, guys, Cancers. So it may be a news in your work or in your relationship. So let's see what is the card for your relationship, guys. We have Three of Cups. So some kind of a celebration or happiness is what I see, guys. So in this connection, you are having a good time, maybe talking about this love, or talking about this love to the people you love. So some kind of a happy outcome, success is what I see, guys. Maybe if you are in a difficult situation right now, guys, your circumstances are going to resolve very soon, Cancers. So let's see what is the card for your career situation, guys. We have Four of Swords in reverse. So in your career situation, Cancers, things are going to change dramatically, guys. Maybe if you are really careful, if you are aware of your situation, taking the precautions maybe, and we were speaking about some kind of chance or risk you are taking, so it may be in your career situation. So even by taking that risk, it should be a calculated risk, guys. If you do that, you are going to be really successful in your situation, guys, Cancers. So that is the reading for you all today, guys, Cancers. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. Please stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, Cancers. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start with the first card. We will see what it is. So for those who chose this card, the first card, a change in the wind. So that is the card for you all, guys. So in your circumstances, you are preparing yourself for some kind of a situation. You feel deep down in your heart of heart something is coming up, some kind of a feeling or a premonition maybe for some of you, and you are resisting it. You don't want to face that difficult situation, so you are resisting that change or resisting that emotion that is threatening you in this relationship. Or maybe this person you are in relationship with, they have a change of heart, something has changed and they are moving away from you for some of you, guys. Or for some of you there is some kind of sense, overwhelming emotion today. You feel something may go wrong in this relationship and you see the signs for it. So maybe you are having some arguments or some stressful situation in this relationship. But you need not worry, guys, because this is going to happen. Maybe the rough sea or rough situation offers you some kind of opportunities for mutual growth. Maybe you are growing from it. You will learn the valuable lessons you need to learn because you are facing these difficult circumstances today, and you will understand yourself and you will understand this other person in a better way, and you can be happy for that. You can be happy for for that lesson you are learning today, maybe if you are already in some difficult circumstance. So you need to just stay away from this from these emotions. Maybe take a break from this relationship, or take a break from reacting to the other person, reacting to this relationship, and this will clear things. And you need to understand that even this situation will change, this too will change for sure. So nothing is permanent in our life, guys, even our troubles. So it is going to change very soon, guys. So that is the reading with this card for those who chose this card. So let's see what is the other card. So for those who chose this card, it is an angel card, guys. So whenever we get an angel card, it just means that angels are here guiding us, and this angel card stands for love, peace, and tolerance. So, this angel guides us, helps us to have that true love in our lives, unconditional love, love for ourselves and love for others. And in order to have that love, we need to see the beauty of that other person, beauty of their soul, see the beauty at the heart level. So when you are struggling with relationships, finding it difficult to adjust, or finding it really difficult to find that love and compatibility in any relationship, this angel helps us to repair that wounded or broken relationships. And the guidance is for us to be non-judgmental with the people who are there in our life, find that common ground, have that mutual love, respect, caring, compassion for each and every one of our personal journeys. So we respect, just like we respect what we love to do or what is our life's purpose, same way we respect that other person. So when we do that, it brings that tolerance and peace in our relationship, harmony. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So you should be able to, if you want this love, if you want this relationship, you should be able to find a way to connect deeply with the other person through love, tolerance, and peace. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.